In this video, I am going to show you how to create this particular kind of animation, this particular kind of video, right? So let's just watch it briefly.
There is a silent trap that keeps 90% of hardworking people stuck in the rat race. It is not a lack of talent, it is not a lack of ambition, and it is certainly not a lack of income. The trap is a psychological glitch in our brains that forces us to trade massive, life-changing freedom in the future for a tiny temporary relief today.
Now you can see from this place, this is like the whole branding color and stuff, right? You can see the consistency, right, in the brand. So this is what I am going to show you how to create, and I'm also going to show you how to like create other kinds of like styles like this, right? How to get the styles, how to create the videos consistently, right? The first thing you have to do, you come to this website called Pinterest, right? Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com. Right now, this is where you're going to get a lot of inspirations from, right, in creating things or graphic design, video editing, whatsoever, like creative inspirations, right? From, so you can see this is the particular style, right, art style that I use in creating that whole video, right? So when you come here, you're going to see a lot of other there are stick animations. You can see this is red color, right? So red branding color, right? Red branded color. So there are stick animations, there are different forms. There is anime, there is different big-headed animation, a lot of, you could just check around the internet, you could watch different videos, and when you see something that you like, right, you could just simply just screenshot it and use the particular kind of style. So now let's use this my style, right? So all you're going to do when you come to Pinterest is to either download the video or just screenshot it, the image rather. Now when you download this image, the next thing you're going to do is, when you want to create a video, right, when you want to create a video, what do you need? You need the script of your video, right? You need your script, you need voiceovers, right? Then you need like to edit the videos and stuff, right? So when you've gotten your script, because I have my voiceover artist, right? So I send her the script. Let me go to, so this is my voiceover artist, right? So I send her the script literally, then she records the video, the audio, right, and send it to me. So this is the particular script that we are going to use here, right? This script, let me just copy the script, right? So copy, so you have your own script, right? You get the point, have your own script. Now when you get your script, you come to ChatGPT, right? Come to ChatGPT. You should have ChatGPT by now. You know what ChatGPT, or just come to ChatGPT, right? And then you're going to paste this prompt. Now let me take you to the prompt that you're going to paste. All these prompts are going to be under the description of this video, or let's, if you're watching it from the G4G AI Hub, it's going to be at the side of the tutorial, right? You're going to paste this particular script. Let me show you. This is the script you're going to post, right? You can see I will be providing you my script, right? Give me an image prompt to help generate one image per scene, right? Before that, I want you to identify the number of characters, and so this is a particular script. Just copy it. You're going to copy this whole script and then take it back to ChatGPT. When you take it back to ChatGPT, you're going to paste it in ChatGPT and then type on go, right, or enter. Good. So you can see it's going to like read it and then give you, okay, yes, go ahead, send me the script. Now you can see that it has sent, this is what it sends, right? It said step 1, you read the entire script and then identify every human character that appears, right, and then give each character full identities and stuff. Now see, when you're creating a story, right, or whatsoever that has analogy and let's say characters in it, please use this script, because it helps in, let's say, picking the scenes, picking the characters from your script. Very powerful script, a very powerful prompt. It picks the characters, creates a characters of your script, like of your own story. Good. So now I'm going to now paste the script that I copied, right, from that I gave my voiceover artist. So I'm going to paste the whole script here, right? That is what you're going to do. You paste your own script, then press on enter, and then we're now going to wait for it. So now below is character, right, breakdown. So you can see character in your story, full identity. You see the host, narrator, the main character. This is the host, right? So this is the person narrating the story. Then this is the farmer, right? In my story, there's a farmer. This is the farmer's wife. This is the neighbor feast crowd, right? And then this is the builder, right? So it points out, it creates all your characters for you. Now let me show you what it means. Now the next step you're going to do is to copy each character, right? You're going to copy each character. You come here and just, let's say, host. You can copy from this host, narrator, main character, and then just copy it down. This is the first here. Stop here, right? This is for your first character. Now I want you to take it to this. You can use a lot of platforms, but I prefer Wix, right? Wix. It's a Google AI tool, right? So this is Wix. You can see WHISK. Just type WHISK. It's going to you're going to now paste what you've copied here. Paste it, right? We're now going to tap on enter, and let's see how it creates the image for us. Now, another thing you can do is use other let's say AI. Okay, you can see it has already even generated it. Now, let's say this is the kind of animation you want. Like, no, this is the kind of picture you want like a natural, a real picture, right? Images, you can get it. But now let me show you how to get this particular style. You see this particular style. Now what you're going to do, I intentionally did it so that you see that, okay, you can see all of the the problems that you might encounter, right? The challenges you might encounter, so solve it here. Now what you're going to do is to come here, right? And then you are now going to use, remember we downloaded the image, right? That's our figure, right? That's this our particular, right, image, right? You're now going to upload the style here. Now when you upload the style here, the next thing you're going to do is to come to copy this script. It's also going to be around the video or under the description. Yes, copy this script, this prompt too. Now use this image as a reference, right? As a reference, just copy it, and then you take it back to ChatGPT. Now I'm going to paste it. Remember, you've uploaded the picture. Paste this particular script, and then just type on enter. That is the image that you want. Right now you're going to paste that your script, right? Your whole story script. I just hope I'm not confusing you, please. I hope you're understanding. If you don't understand, please, you can comment down, or you can just reach out to me if you're in the G4G AI hub, right? Get access to me. So I'm going to copy my script, right? I'm going to copy it, and we're now going to paste it here. Paste. Now it's going to regenerate the whole thing using that particular art style, right? Good. So now this is scene one, right? This is scene one. This is for the scene. So what you're going to do is to copy this, right? Copy this, copy, and take it back to the Wix. Take it back here, and then paste it here, right? You paste it here and then tap on enter. So you can do this with any style, right? Any style for the consistency. Let's wait and see. Good. So you can see, can you see? So you can see what it generated for us. This is it, and then this also. So all you can do right now, I prefer this. All you can do right now is just to download it. Come here and tap on this download icon. Good. So it has downloaded, right? So you're going to repeat the same process to copy the whole script, the whole scene. This is scene one, this is scene two. Now for you to get the characters, right, of, let's say, your particular story, apart from the scene, you're also going to do the same thing, right? You're also going to come here, rather you're going to come here. I just hope I'm not confusing you. Please, if I am confused, you can comment where you're lost. So you're going to come here, to the first script that you posted, right? Let's say you want to get the characters. So what you're going to do is to copy the first prompt, right? That first prompt, because the first prompt is for you to get the characters, right? You copy the first prompt. So what I mean is this, right? This is the prompt. So let's go back to our prompt so that you understand what I mean. You see this first prompt. The first prompt is used to create your characters, right? The second prompt, this prompt now, is used to tell ChatGPT that this is the style that you want your characters to show in. Do you understand? Like, let's say you want to create an animation video, right? Let's say you want to create an anime kind of content, an anime, or let's say a cartoon. This first one will describe the particular boy, girl, father in the cartoon, right? The second prompt will tell ChatGPT that this is the kind of cartoon you want. You know, there are different forms of different types of cartoons, right? There we have anime, we have normal cartoon, right? So to tell it the particular kind of style of cartoon you want to create. So I hope you get the point now. So now, since we want the characters, we want to make our own characters, and we want ChatGPT to formulate our own particular characters in their style, we are going to use this first prompt. Now we are going to copy the first prompt, right? Copy it and then take it back to ChatGPT, and then we're now going to paste it, and then we're now going to add, right? We're now going to add image, and we're now going to add, no, not this. We're going to add file, right? Then we're now going to add this is our style, because this is the style that we want it to create. Then we're now going to press dot, and then go back again, right? Let's go back again, and then copy the prompt 2, and then take it back, since we want it in this style, and then enter. Good. Now we're not going to press enter. let's see the magic it creates. Good. So this is the character. So now we're not going to copy this for us to, for it to give us our character. I hope you understand what I did there. Good. So we're now going to come to Wix, and we're now going to come here, then paste it, and then type enter. Let's see what it generates for us. Something always went wrong. Okay, violate our policy and stuff. Okay, sometimes you might get this violation of policy. Let's go to another AI generation platform, like let's go to Grok, right? Grok, that is Twitter AI generation platform. Or let's go to Gemini, because a lot of people are not on Twitter. Let's go to Gemini. Now when you come to Gemini, right, Gemini dot AI, right, google.com, right? What you're going to do, you make sure that the setting is on create image, right? The tool is on create image. Let me refresh this. I don't know why it's giving me this problem. Good. Now we are now going to paste that one narrator here, and let's create, and let's see what it does. I hope it doesn't go against the policy, because sometimes it goes against certain policies, and so I don't know why it does that. But I'm glad it's giving me all of this challenge, so that you're going to, in case you encounter this challenge, you know what to do based on what I'm doing, right? So let's see. So it has generated for us something, just that it still has the nature of the whole stuff, right? But I still don't like the way it came out. So you can keep trying to get the perfect image you want, because this is giving me a human figure, and I don't want this human figure. I want a cartoon like figure. But you get the whole point. You can keep trying different platforms. Let's go to Grok and try Grok. We're here in Grok. This is Grok Twitter AI. So let's paste it, and let's try creating with Grok, and let's see what it gives us. So this is the whole process. This is the whole process in creating all of these things, right? In creating videos. This is like what I always go through. Good. So you can see Grok gave us like a very beautiful image, right, that describes what we want. Now what you can also do is come back to this, because we don't want it in the style of you understand, like the TikTok style. So what you're going to do is now to come here, and then just type 16 by 9 ratio. Good. And then send. Now this 16 by 9 ratio is going to change the frame of the image. So now it's now going to be, you get the point. Good. So now this is it. So it has created for you a particular character based on this, right, based on this. So you go back, that's what you do to create all your characters. So let's say your story, let's say you're talking about Adi and let's say James. So you're talking about Cinderella and Naomi, understand? So you need like the specific character, you understand, to tell the stories every single time. That's what you do. You're going to get all the images of the characters. Then when you come down, you're going to see that after it has given you all the images of the characters, the next is going to give you the cinematic scene prompt, right? So the cinematic scene prompt, you see, this is the scene for one. We did it in the first part of this video, if you could remember, right? So that's the thing. So it's going to automatically just give you all of these things and reduce like the work for you. So that is the purpose of this script, right? The prompt that you have gotten, these two prompts, like that's what it does. So it saves you a lot of time and stress trying to create consistent, you understand, characters and perfect scenes. And you can also tweak ChatGPT to tell it to particular this scene. You can say create variation of scene 2. So let's say you can create two different variation of scene 2, and then now tap on go. It's now going to create two different variation of scene 2, right? So you can now copy this, right? You can now copy this, copy it, and then create another variation of the scene. Let's go to Grok, create another variation of the scene, enter. Remember, always put 16 by 9 ratio, and then let's see. So this is the first variation. Let's create the second variation. So we are not going to come there. This is the variation B. Copy, take it here, and then we paste it. Then 16 by 9 ratio, and then enter. And let's see, it's going to create another different like variation of the particular scene, right, or camera angles, or you understand. So it has given us a different. You can see this is pay now, this is pay limited time, this is now, all is now, and here is pay now, buy now, pay later. You get, so it gives you different variation. You get the point. So this is just how to creatively work with these AI tools to create consistent brand, right, consistent style, you get, and constant flow of your video. This is how to do it. Now when you finish everything, all you have to do is just to download the whole images, right? The whole images, right? And then you now go to your you go and edit them. I've made a tutorial on how to use CapCut to edit all of these things, so you should know how to. You should check it in G4G AI Hub up, or check it in my channel. You should get it there. Now to even make this crazier, right? To make this crazier, because this is what I do. You download the image. Let's say you can download whichever image you want, and then we are going to make just one of it a video, right? To hook the viewers, right? When they are watching your video, to at least hook them. So what we are going to do is the one that we downloaded, right? We just downloaded that particular image. We're going to come to this Gemini, right? And we're going to create a video using it. So you're going to come to this tool and then go to video, to create video, right? The video option, you can see it here, video creation. So we're going to now bring this image, right? This particular one, and then we are going to now say, so this is what you can type. You can just like be creative about what you want to see in the scene, right? So may I just said animate this, let the man stand still, and while the people keep walking. I just hope I spelled this still correct. So just type on go, and we're going to wait for it to generate for us a video. Please, we're getting value from this video, like the video and also share. Don't forget to subscribe also. Good, so the video is ready. So this is the video. Good. So you can now use this also as a hook. So let's say you're making the whole video, right? In CapCut, when you're editing it, right? Let's say here you're editing the whole video. You can now use this one as a hook, right? So like just the same way I use something like this as a hook. I normally do this a lot of times. So let me just pause the audio. I normally do this, so you can see this, you can see that. So you can also use it as a hook to like create your own video, right? Your own YouTube videos. I hope you got value from this video, right? From this tutorial. If you have any comments, you can chat, right? Chat me up if you're in the G4G AI Hub. If you are on YouTube, you can just make your comments, right? So that is the thing. Now if you want to join the G4G AI Hub, right, where you're going to get access to me, right, get access to ask me any questions anytime, mentorship, you can join the G4G Hub. The link is going to be on the description of this video. If you're already on G4G Hub, then congratulations, you can go through and then please learn, equip yourself with these AI skills, right, and learn how to make wonderful videos, right, and be very creative. See you in the next one.